Then what is this Annamaya? The Prakriti is the combination of Panchabhutas, Panchatanmatras and Trigunas. Prakriti is the combination. And if you see from the Moola Prakriti up to the manifested Prakriti, you see the combination of these three, Sattva, Raja, Tamo. They are in different combinations. If Tamas is more, then it becomes Annamaya Kosha. If Rajas is slightly more, it becomes Pranamaya Kosha. If the Sattva is dominating, it becomes Manomaya and Vijnanamaya Kosha. So, the human being is the combination of these three gunas in different energy configurations. So, the first configuration is Annamaya Kosha, the physical body. The body you can feel, you can touch. The body which does not go through changes in a drastic way, where the speed at the body level is very, very insignificant, where you can control, you can modify, you can change, you can redesign, if you have the strength. You can do all these things with the physical body. That's why the whole world is depending upon the physical body only. All yoga activities, spiritual activities are body related. Body related because you can depend upon this body, because the body listens to you, because the body you can play with it. So, Upanishad says, start with the physical body. Understand the nature of the physical body. The entire physical body is nothing but the integrated design of the unit of life, that is the cell. Cell. Cell is the unit of life. The cells have gathered together, started performing a similar function, then that becomes the tissue. So the cells are there, varieties of cells are there. The cells of similar nature have joined together to give a similar effect, that becomes the tissue. And the tissues of similar connectivity have joined together and created something called organ. And the organs which are supporting a similar objectivity, that is the system. And human being is nothing but the bundle of systems. Muscular system, circular system, excretory system, digestive system. And in this basic unit called cell, Jiva Kosha, in this miniature, in this microcosmic entity, you experience the entire macrocosmic feeling. That is the beauty. This is what our rishis have suggested. In every Pindanda there is Brahmanda. This is Pinda and that is Brahmanda. Anda means egg. Egg. In this egg, the entire universe is there. If you start studying this Pinda, then you are studying the Brahmanda. That's why when people have difficult physical problems, nowadays the doctors, they do cell culture, is it not? Or tissue culture, something like that. So in that cell, in that tissue, they can find out exactly what the problem is. They need not study the entire body. If there is cancer, they can study the cancer. So in the cell, there is everything. There is everything. And the physical body is a beautiful chemistry hiding the mystery. If you start studying the chemistry, then you will be in touch of mystery. Because we are not doing this, everything has become a mistaken activity, confused activity. So Arogyavardhini starts with Annamaya Kosha, the physical body. Study your physical body. Find out why you can't sit. Find out why 90% of your movements are involuntary in nature. Why there is no grace in the body? Why your body is becoming an unmanageable instrument, where always you are becoming victim of the body. Oh Guruji, I want to sit and meditate, keeping the back my head, but kya karna? You can do a lot. Don't become lazy. Don't go through self-pity. Stop meditating. That's a very cozy place to, complete your quota of sleep. For many people, meditation is only that. Whatever sleep they are not able to get, the meditation is the answer for them. That's why no progress. Always a tamos state. That is not meditation. Please don't do meditation. Instead of that, do yogasanas. Do yogasanas. Let every cell in the body start resonating with the vibration. Do that. Practice. Put your effort. Don't give excuses. Oh, no. Stop Gayatri Mantra. Stop everything. Take care of the body first. Sharira madhyam khalu dharma sadhanam. If you want to do anything, if you want to reach some aspiration in your life, Sharira, the body is an important thing. If I have to go from here to Mysore to enjoy the beauty of Mysore, my vehicle has to be a good one. Is it? If the vehicle starts troubling me, 5 kilometers, some daga in accelerate, another 10 kilometers, puncture, another 10 kilometers, something else. What will happen to the driver? He will throw the vehicle. But unfortunately, we have such vehicle, we can't throw this vehicle. So only alternative with this vehicle is take care of this vehicle. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't listen to Vedantins, they say. Don't listen to them. We have to take care of the body. So what is meditation? Meditation is from the root medi to attend. So your first responsibility, first concern is the physical body. If I have to sit and talk to you about yoga in front of you, I have to sit, is it not? Yesterday 4 hours in Havan, I have to sit. Every minute if I have to change the legs and then the back and up and down. Have you noticed my posture? 4 hours. I did not move. Only my hand was moving. I did not change my legs. When I train by my body, when I harmonize my body, I become free from the body. That is the practice. Why do we practice? To free. Why do I take care of the family? Because I want to be free from the family. Then I can do something else. Why do I learn the best cooking? Because I want to free from the kitchen. If you don't learn the skills, how can you be free? Tell me. There is always anxiety, conflict. If I tell you tomorrow we are going to meditate for 40 minutes, immediately 40 minutes. First, develop this freedom at the physical level. Work, struggle, go through hell, but practice it. You are handling yourself with too much delicate. When people transport the glass things, they put handle with care, fragile. Where there is fragility, there is no agility. Where there is no agility, there is no accommodation. Only agile personality can hold, can contain, can include. If you have an agile mind, if you are driving, you accommodate everybody. Arey, get in, I say, get in, I will take you. It's your headache how you get in. I am ready to drive. Some people are so fragile, my God. Even they don't let the other person to touch them. Don't touch. Touch me not is not the attitude of a sadhaka. Sadhaka has to feel, touch me.